Hey there, clinical researchers. Today, let's dive into the world of site feasibility surveys in clinical trials. First off, what is a site feasibility study? Simply put, it's an evaluation process. We assess potential research sites to determine if they can successfully conduct a clinical trial. This involves looking at the site's infrastructure, staff qualifications, patient population, and past performance in clinical studies. Now let's talk about site feasibility surveys. These surveys are tools we use to gather detailed information from potential sites. They cover various aspects like equipment availability, staff expertise, and patient recruitment capabilities. Think of it as a comprehensive checklist to ensure the site meets the study requirements. So, why are these surveys so important? Well, they help identify the best sites for conducting clinical trials. By evaluating sites in advance, we can minimize risks, ensure compliance with regulations, and enhance the overall quality of the trial. It's all about setting the stage for success. When conducting a site feasibility survey, there are key factors to consider. First and foremost, look at the site's patient population. Can they recruit the required number of participants? Also, assess the site's infrastructure and equipment. Do they have the necessary tools to perform the trial? And let's not forget staff qualifications. Are the personnel experienced and trained in clinical research? Roles and responsibilities in site feasibility are crucial. Clinical research associates, or CRAs, play a significant role. They conduct site visits, review survey responses, and ensure sites meet the criteria. CRAs act as the bridge between the sponsor and the site, ensuring smooth communication and effective trial execution. Now let's talk careers. If you're interested in site feasibility, there are several paths you can take. Clinical research associates, site managers, and project managers all play a part in this process. Typically, a background in life sciences, nursing, or pharmacy is essential. Many companies, including CROs, pharmaceutical firms, and hospitals, are always on the lookout for skilled professionals in this area. Education-wise, a degree in life sciences or a related field is a great start. Certifications like ACRP or SACRA can also boost your credentials. Continuous learning through workshops and seminars is key to staying updated with industry standards. In conclusion, site feasibility surveys are vital in clinical trials. They ensure the right sites are chosen, minimizing risks and enhancing trial quality. Whether you're a CRA, site manager, or aspiring clinical research professional, understanding this process is crucial. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of clinical research from PharmBuddy. See you next time.